Okay, in this video, I will teach you how to design and add a very attractive highlight cover. Okay, like this one. Teruskan menonton guys! Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera dan salam Malaysia baru. Okay, so straight to the tutorial. First, you need to install both application named InShot and also PixArt app. Now, open up your browser and let us search for a background. Okay, I will go with something white and minimal, okay, such as a white wood. Download the background and open it with InShot app. Okay, with InShot, we can adjust the background size to 9 by 16, resize it and save it. Let us go and find a very cool emoji or icon for our highlight cover. Open up your browser again, okay, and then go to flaticon.com. There is a various type of icon. Let's say if you find a balloon, there is a various type of balloon. Okay, find something that you like and download. Okay, choose free download option and remember guys to credit the author itself if you have a website. Next, let us open up a PixArt app and open up the wood background that we saved earlier with a IG story size. Then add another layer of photo. Add the balloon picture that we saved. Then adjust to the center like this. Okay, click save. Last step, open up the Instagram. Okay, post the picture you edited earlier to your IG story. But first, remember to enable save to archive option. It's actually in your IG story option. Go to your main page and press the new highlight. Include the cover you just posted. Name the highlight and edit the cover. Wallah. Thanks for watching guys. If you like my video, please like and share to your friends that need it. Affendi 50 here, signing out.